Hello my dear friends, welcome to our very new Tableau tutorial. In this Tableau tutorial, we will learn level of details. Up till now, we have understood how to make basic visualizations. We have also understood how to make dashboards. If you have not watched those videos, I would recommend you definitely watch the first two lessons of the video series, Learning Tableau for Beginners. In this tutorial, we are going to deal with level of details. Before starting, let's have a quick go through of what level of details is. So level of detail is a kind of superpower that is being provided by Tableau. Level of details expressions provide an easy way to compute aggregations that are that not at the level of detail of the visualizations. Meaning, there are few questions which can arise during a project which cannot be answered just by basic calculations. Take for example, suppose you have to do a cohort analysis, meaning do longer tenured customers make a larger contribution to sales? The view below groups customers by group of their first purchase compared to sales contributions annually across cohorts. The minimum order date per customer will give the first purchase date. What we want to say is, suppose a customer made their first purchase in 2011, and after that, he or she will be a repeating customer. Another customer who made their first purchase on, say, let's say, Jan of 2012, they will be the customer starting from 2012. We already have a customer who was purchasing, we got a new customer in 2012. Now we want to make a comparison. What comparison we want to make? We want to say whether the customers who started purchasing in the year 2011 make a greater contribution to the sales. And this question, my dear friends, can be solved with the help of level of details equation in Tableau. So let's start with the Tableau. We will first import the data file. That is, let's start with a new file here. Let's import our data. We are using a superstore data, and I would like to mention that if you want to follow the tutorial with me, you can also download the data file. I have made the data file available on my WordPress website. You just need to go and type one extra mile programming. Wait, let me just click, yeah, one extra mile data visualization with Tableau, creating groups in Tableau, details in Tableau, visualization. This is the dataset. If you will click on the dataset, you can download it from here. So you just need to go here and you just need to click on download. Already Excel, you can download it in CSV format. Any format will work for you. Coming back to our visualization, let's import our sheets. We have to make this thing very clear that our sheets are well connected to each other. There should be an inner join, and that inner join should be on our order ID. If you want to check it, you can just go and click. See, the inner join is made on order ID. Let's go to our sheet. Remember, friends, what our task was. Our task was to check or to inspect did the did our customers, let's get back to our question. The question is, do longer tenured customers make a larger contribution to sales? So we can have a general overview of the data. You can see, in general, we can see, um, suppose if you want to see how many, what was the sales as per the cities. Let's quickly understand the data. So here you can see that with different cities, we have different sales. New Iberia made the highest sales, Los Angeles the second highest, and so on. So we have sales data. Then if you want to understand, suppose if you want to understand with respect to year, so let's bring the date, order date, and let's bring sales. Go to bar, Seats and colors. You can go colors. You can also do as region. Yeah, drag region to label. Yeah. So in 2011, West did 111,000 of sales. Central did 109,000. So this is, my friends, the total sales. Don't get confused that if Central is at the top, it means that it had the highest sales. No, it is not that way. You need to consider the size of these blocks, south, these sizes, and we can see there is a decent increase and decent and continuous increase in the sales with the years from 2011 to 2014. Briefly understood the data. Coming back to our question, which is, I will reiterate, do longer tenured customers make a larger distribution contribution to sales? To solve this question, we must know level of detail calculation. Why I'm emphasizing again and again? The reason is, suppose if you got the order date and if you have the sales, you make it bar chart. How will you get to know that customers? So there is no sales before 2011. It means every customer is a new customer for the year 2011. But how many customers are new customers in 2012? And how many? So there will be two parts here, three parts here, four parts here. Do you follow me? Yeah. To create a segregation, we need to create a new field, that is level of details. So this field we will say, set here, what did you name it? Customer acquisition rate. Let's understand here what we want to do. What we want to fix, we want to fix the, in this case it is customer name. We want to find the earliest date when they made their first order. It's a minimum of order. This equation, if you want to elaborate, I can explain it to you quickly. This equation is, this is the opening bracket for level of details equation. There are three types of LODs. One is included, the second one is excluded, and the third one is fixed. In our next video, we will learn what is the difference between included, fixed, and excluded. This is the column that we want to keep fixed. We want to keep the customer ID fixed. We want to know who those customers are who joined in 2011. And this is the column that we are going to play with. So minimum means the earliest year. And this is again the closing bracket. This is a usual way in which we write the LOD's equation. Coming back, calculation is valid. Let's apply. Let's click OK. Now, if we throw customer acquisition date on colors, see, we can easily see that, see, the customers who started their purchase in year 2011, customer acquisition date 2011, contributed 335,925%. And the customers, see, in 2012, make lesser amount of sale. To make it more clear, let's this labels 114, 335. See, this number acquired in 2011 is represented by the color blue, and this is always higher. Then those acquired in acquisition date in 2012 is higher than 13 and is higher than 14. My dear friends, in this tutorial we learn what in general is level of details and how to solve meaningful problems with the help of LODs in Tableau. In our next videos, we will also learn include and exclude. In this video, we only learn the fixed one. Thank you so much.